Hello everybody, today I would like to talk about MMM Global. My name is Jomomi. Ideology of MMM. The modern world is inhuman, unfair and unjust. Some people are very rich and some people are very poor. What then made them different? The answer is money. Money is not only for whole people. Money is only for some people, such as bankers, millionaires, and government. They work in hard like that, but they earn more than 100 times or X. There is nothing natural in the world. I told you about how banker work. Let you want to buy one laptop from David. The price is $1,000, but you have only $100. So you gave $100 to David. David saved $100 in the bank, and then you had to pay another $900 to David. When you go to bank for borrow $900, bank provide to you $100. It is given by David. David go to save again in the bank. Bank give you again $100. The money is turning around. There is the bank work. David got 8% to 11% per month for investment from the bank, and you loan 15% to 14% per month to give the bank. This is the between loan and investment. The bank is just taking profit, nothing doing. We become a slave of banker. What should we do? MMM, we choose the answer for equal life. Thank you, MMM. Thank you to MMM founder Sergey Mavrodi. MMM is a global social financial network. MMM is the place of people help each other. Today you help and tomorrow you will be helped. It's the main principle of MMM. You can help with your money to who really need it. Example, poor people, black people, and etc. How MMM works. In MMM, people agree without any guarantees and promise to help each other with money. There is no central account. You hold your money on your own account. You can provide her $10 to $100,000. This money will provide to another people directly. MMM provide marble reward after you provide her. You want to know how your marble grow. Okay, let's talk about it. Your marble grow 20% per month minimum. If you want up to 100% per month, you need to finish daily tasks. Online social network job, about 15 minutes per day. It is depend on how you succeed your work. After confirm, add green color on your money amount. You can take out your marble reward anytime. If you want to take out, checklist to get button, choose the amount, then people will help you within 36 hours. Rule of MMM. MMM is the community of mutual financial help. Participants only spare money. Don't contribute all the money you have. Now allow for MMM multiplying account for each person. If you had followed the rule and your account have been blocked, let your account have been blocked, then you can inform to support team with proof app screenshot. Then CIO MMM police will ask to show your identity card or passport. Then he will be unlocked. Never share your personal email address for MMM and password. This is just for your own safety. The amount of participation should be $10 to $100,000. After you require to provide help, you must provide within 36 hours. Letter of happiness must submit when you receive funds. Benefit of MMM. Registration bonus. $20 will be credited to you if your contribution is from $50 to $499. $50 will be credited to you if your contribution is from $500 to $2,999. $100 will be credited to you if your contribution is from 3,000 and more. Marvel Grow 20% per month minimum, up to 100% per month doing daily tax. Refer bonus. If you refer to people to join MMM, you will get 10% of their contribution. Guided bonus. 5% for first downline, 3% for second downline, 1% for third downline, and so on. Bonus for the video in a letter of happiness. 5% of the amount of the receipt here will be kept if the video will show your face and buy. 3% of the amount of the receipt here you will get if you provide the video confirming the withdrawal, which will not show your personal. Other benefit. You will be able to learn about MMM in guided school for free. No bonus, no boss, no leader. You have freedom in MMM. You have opportunity to help other people in the world. You are able to take out your money anytime you want. Summary. MMM is a very good social financial network to against banking system and the community where you can find your freedom. MMM goal is helping people not making a lot of money. You help people today, another day you will be helped. Together we change the world. Lonely MMM, Lonely Sake Mabrodi. Thank you for watching. If you need help, you will always be ready for you. My name is Jamamin. Also, Siajo. Thank you.